guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be working on my car. I'm actually doing the rocker cover gasket, and I thought I might take a video and show you how to do it. I mean, it's not that hard to do, it's pretty simple and straightforward, but it can be fiddly a little bit, especially in the half moon area in the back, so I thought I'll just do a video and show you guys how I do it. Alright, let's get started. Right, so before we take the rocker cover off, we need to take this hose off, the ventilation valve hose, so we'll go ahead and take that off. Let's just do that now. Mine's a different hose, so it might be different to the one on your one. Okay. Undo the hose clamp and then pull it off like so, and then to get the bolts out of the rocker cover, you will need a 8mm socket and some extensions to get to the back. Okay, so the rocker cover, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 bolts to undo. So let's go ahead and do that. Enough of an extension, yes. Alright, so I'm going to do the back ones first. I'm going to peel off this rubber just a little bit, and then it should give me enough room to get to the back bolts here. There we go. Alright, that's the last of the bolts out, and once you get the last one out, you simply just remove off. Might need a bit of persuasion if it's held on with a bit of gasket glue. There we go. That's some sticky ass gasket. Alright, let's get this out of the way. Alrighty, so we got the rocker cover off. I've got to clean off all this bloody gasket off. That's alright, I'll get onto that. But while you have the rocker cover off, if you're probably doing the injector harness maybe, or just doing the rocker cover gasket, whichever. But if you are doing the injector harness, I suggest you do this. Get a bit of gasket glue, put it around that, and then put gasket glue on each of the leads. And that will help stop the oil traveling to your ECU. As you can see, mine's still dry after, I don't know, when I first got this car, which was 2 years ago. But I guess it would stay dry. I don't know, whatever. Yes, that's one thing you can do if you're doing the injector harness. So yeah, I'm gonna get on to cleaning all this crap off the car now. Fun. Okay, so back again, and cleaned up all the gasket goo. So now I'm gonna clean the rocker cover. So here's the rocker cover. I'm going to take the gasket off. Oh, that's my message. Oh, Jesus. There we go. Get that away. Now, this is the new rocker cover gasket. And when you do the rocker cover gasket, you see these dowel pins, they call it. I don't know if my camera will focus. Focus? No. It sits on top, like so. Pull them out with the gasket, of course. Pull them out with the gasket. But yeah, you wanna replace all this. So yeah, let me just take it all off now. I do it so you can sort of see what I'm doing. Is that on the camera? Yeah. Okay. Really. Alright, I think that's all the pins out. Yes. Now I'm gonna go clean it. Alrighty, so now that you've got it all cleaned up, what you want to do is get your new dowel pins. Yes, good part. Questionable quality, I know, but this is the only set I could get in a hurry, so. These ones are new ones. Don't know if you can see it actually. That's the new ones. And one's the old one. Look how flat the washer rubber is. So yeah, I'm going to replace that now. You want to put... actually, before you do that, my bad. You want to put your gasket on first. Get your gasket. Line it up and put it on. So in this case, we'll just sit in one like that. Now that your gasket's in, now you can put your isolators. So what you want to do, let's see if I can see that. So I'm going to put one here. That wants to be in there, obviously. But yeah, put it in, and then put the gasket. And you put this in, and now it holds in place. So you want to do that for the rest of them. So I'm going to go quickly do that, and then yes. But first, I should open up all my packaging. Alright, and the last one is in. Very nice. Now just double check that everything is sitting nice and secure. And nice and flush, as to say. And now it's ready to get back onto the car. So, I don't know if my trick will work, but what I like to do is come in on an angle, like so. Make sure, visually check that it's still aligned, and then slowly put it back on. Theoretically, that should have done the trick. There you go. Yeah, it's sitting properly. So now you just gotta torque it up to spec. It actually worked pretty good. I'm happy. Yeah, so now you just gotta torque it up to spec, which I forgot what the torque setting was. So your torque settings are 10 Newton meters. So adjust that on your torque wrench and torque it up. Let's do this. now that you've torqued everything up, double checked that all the bolts are torqued fully. So let's start. Yep. Bring it out. Yep. Right. That's your rocker cover gasket done. Now all you got to do is plug this hose back in, tighten it up, and you're good to go. Just tighten this up now. Half moons in. Oops. Job done! And that's how you do a rocker cover gasket on your TD5 Discovery or Defender, I'd assume. They're both probably the same way to do it, except the Defender will have more engine space in the back, so the half moon shouldn't be too hard. But yes, that's how you do the rocker cover gasket on your TD5 Discovery. Hope you learned something from it. Wasn't too hard. It's pretty simple, straightforward job. It's just the half moon or the D thingamabob you call in the back. It's a bit fiddly and it might get a bit of a pain in the ass, but like I said, if you get it in a nice angle first and then slide it in, you should be able to get it first go, no problem. Anyways, I wish you the best of luck if you're doing this, and catch you guys next time. See ya.